Welcome back to the Money Mastery Cash App video series. Right now, I'm going to be showing you how to add and deposit paper money into your Cash App account. First off, go ahead and open the Cash App, and then you're going to click on the bottom left where it shows your balance. Everything that you want to do within the app can pretty much be found here in terms of your savings. You want to file your taxes, you can do that here. Buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks. I have videos coming up shortly that you will be able to learn how to do that in the app. Now, if you scroll down, you will see more ways to add money. You can direct deposit your check, you can do a bank transfer, or you click there where it says paper money, deposit at a nearby location. So what you want to do to deposit or add paper money, you want to click on that button. It will then take you to a map where it shows all of the locations that you can go to deposit your paper money at. So you can see a lot of 7-Elevens, Rite Aids, Dollar Generals. You can deposit at Walgreens, at Walmart, so many locations. I will click on 7-Eleven, and then it will show you the address. You could click on directions so that you can go right to that location, copy the address, and more importantly, is the button to show barcode. That's what you're going to click on as soon as you get to that location. Make sure to do it once you're there because the code will expire and then you'll have to generate a new one, which won't be too difficult. You just click on the same button. So we'll click on show barcode. Now you will see here, it says once you're at that location, ask cashier to scan barcode. Now, remember, each transaction does include a $1 fee, and they're available, as I said, at Walmart, at Walgreens, at 7-Eleven. So you just check the map to see which one is closest to you. And then you'll see that barcode. It says here, limit one transaction per barcode. This barcode will expire at 6:16 p.m. Now, here are a few more limitations to keep in mind. You can deposit $5 to $500 per transaction. You can deposit up to $1,000 every 7 days. And you can deposit $4,000 every 30 days. There are more terms that you can click on that button for in order to read more about those restrictions. Now, if you need more help, you can click on that button that says need help. It will take you to this section. If you want to talk to somebody, click on contact support. We'll exit out of there. Once they scan your barcode, you can go ahead and give them the cash and your money will be in your account in a few minutes. And that is it. That's how you deposit paper money into your Cash App balance. Make sure to watch all of the other videos where I show you everything from buying Bitcoin to investing in stocks using your Cash App account. All right, I'll see you on the next one.